the younger students, the middle school, to be involved in the Junior Model United Nations, which we are doing it for the first time. And the purpose of doing it is that it is extremely essential that today's younger generation who's going to be involved in tomorrow's decision making is participant to be a part of the 21st learning century skills. So it's very important that today's younger generation is a part of the 21st century skills, where they debate and talk about solutions to the many problems. So MUN is primarily an academic simulation of the Model United Nations, which has so many agencies associated with it. So these young leaders are going to be representing various countries, and they're going to be talking on issues like eradicating poverty and hunger, human rights. They're going to be discussing issues on gender discrimination, on global warming, and the tomorrow in which they are going to be part of the decision making. So I think it's an opportunity not just for the 350 delegates to come together, but also the resolutions that they pass for us to communicate it and let the Oak Ridge vision manifest the holistic development, which is so important and which trains them on public debating, gives them immense confidence, and gives them an understanding of being sensitive to their surroundings and to the people around them. I think today's generation needs to be problem solvers. So I think it's an opportunity to discuss, debate on these global issues which are so important, and we only talk. So generally it happens in the senior segment. We really want our middle school to be involved in this. We teach them to learn. And I think it's a very good opportunity for them.